Hey guys, a known weak point in Saturns is the shifter cable bushing. You'll be going down the road and suddenly the stick gets loose and floppy and won't shift anymore due to the cable disengaging from the ball socket. In time, the bushings wear out and crack, and the cable disengages from the stick shift. A lot of guys will buy one of these replacement kits, and that will fix the problem, at least in the short term, if you're stranded alongside the road. But a long-term solution would be to buy a new set of cables. You get 4 brand new bushings and boots that will last the lifetime of the vehicle. First, pry off the old cable connections at the stick shift. Then remove the bracket that fastens the cables to the floorboard. Notice the F stamped into the bracket, showing the orientation. Next, we're going to remove the cable connections at the front of the vehicle. The cables are connected to the transmission right here, at the back of the transmission, on the left driver's side of the vehicle. 2 small clips fasten the cables to the transmission cable arms. You can reach the upper cable from below through the wheel well or from above. The cable arms are right beneath the brake master cylinder. The next set of clips fasten the cables to their brackets and are larger and a bit harder to remove than the smaller clips. I peeled back the carpet from the firewall, and now we can pull the old cables out and the new cables in. Okay, I have the cables extended into the cab, and now I'm pressing the bushing onto the ball joint using a pair of pliers. Okay, I have the cable hooked up to the transmission cable arms. Both clips are fastened. We have the big clips fastened on the brackets, this one here and the one below. Replace the bushing at the firewall, and we can give this thing a test run. The shifting was smooth and all the connections felt strong and firm. I would definitely recommend replacing your shifter cables if you have an old S-Series Saturn like this that still has the original cables from the factory. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.